Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see a very important topic. Let's say that you have already connected to Telegram web and now it's showing reconnecting option and you are not able to send any chat or receive any files because the Telegram is not properly connected. So how we can resolve this reconnecting issue? Let's see. So if you're using the Telegram application, you need to refresh it first. So just try refreshing it if that solves your problem. But if still it is unable to connect, no matter whatever you try, you might want to try connecting a VPN. So we have a couple of free options as well. One of them is Avast One. I have downloaded and installed it. It's a free version of Avast One. So they also have a VPN feature. So if you want to buy that, it's a very good software. You can buy that as well. This is not a promotional video. Just because I'm using it, that's why I'm telling you my experience. So let's use the VPN, what I already have right now. So let's click on this VPN to turn it on. And now our VPN is on. Now let's see if the issue is resolved or not. Let's refresh. And now you can see it's showing updating. And now we are good to go. We can now send messages and our Telegram is connected. So hopefully this video will help you to connect Telegram successfully. If you have some further questions, you can just mention down in the comments. Also, if you want to learn more about Telegram, guys, you can join the playlist link in the description where I have explained all the features of Telegram so that you can comfortably use that. So with this said, this is Sa signing off from today's video. Take care.